Hi friend, I am Puffy Pups and this is my car Bubbles. Welcome to my channel. We are going to make a shape today with 3 sides. Alright Bubbles, let's go! Let's make 3 dots and start joining it. Well, try making slanting lines and then a sleeping line. This is a closed figure and it is called a triangle. Why don't we color it with an attractive color? Blue is my favorite. How about you? Let's form compartments and start coloring. Let's color in sleeping line today. We will not leave any white gaps in the middle. After that, let's start making the first thing with a triangle. What are we going to make? Can you guess what are we going to make? Yes, we are going to make a watermelon. A watermelon is a fruit which is red from the inside and green from the outside. We will touch the outer line and color. Here, we are going to color in slanting line. Fill all the white spaces and complete the top part. Now try a little shading with me. Let's do the dark color first and then overlap it with a light color. This is how we do shading. Now, let's keep it aside and make the next object. Why don't we make a triangle upside down and then try making another thing? Oh, this is my favorite thing. What about you? It is an ice cream. Ice cream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. Let's give it a beautiful effect with a cherry and a drip. Let's make the cone with slanting and sleeping lines. Now, why don't we color this? We will touch the outer line and color first and then give an outline to the cherry as well. Now, let's color this in a standing line and then color the cherry with red color. Let's color the drip with pink color as well and then we can start doing the cone. We will make this as a chocolate cone and then color it with brown color. Let's smudge it a little. Great! Now, why don't we start with the next drawing? Let's make a beautiful triangle and then start making a head. Oh look, it was so simple. We made a beautiful house. Now let's trace it with our black sketch pen. Once we are done tracing it, we will erase all the pencil marks and then start coloring. For the triangle on top, we will start with yellow color. Then let's do the bottom part with orange color. Touch the outer line and color, and after that we will do it in standing line. This is called coloring in one direction. To make your drawing look attractive and neat, you have to color in one direction. And all our 4 drawings are ready. We have made everything with a triangle. Like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon. Stay tuned for our next video. For the next video, we are going to make this beautiful Father's Day card.